Hi folks, Russell Spencer here with Forest River Cardinal, and today I am super excited to be showing you our brand new Smoky Mamba full body paint in our Cardinal luxury line. As you can see, this is a gorgeous unit. It is going to stand the test of time. There are no decals on this unit. It is a fully painted unit. Front cap is painted, rear fiberglass cap is painted, and there is no chance that any of these decals will fade, peel, or crack over the years of you owning this coach. This is the 390 FBX in our luxury line, and if you'd like to see any more of our floor plans or interior features, please visit forestriverinc.com/Cardinal. Okay, so now I'm standing at the second color scheme of our luxury line in Cardinal. This is our Ming Blue. And folks, for our third color scheme in our Cardinal luxury line, you will see our Scarlett Rose. This red on the Cardinal has been a staple color for us for 27 years of producing this product. Absolutely stunning.